In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. This handy feature might be useful for some, but if you find it distracting, turning it off can really streamline your emailing experience. Let's walk through the process together so you'll have full control over this setting within your email. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials, email address followed by your password. Once you've landed in your inbox, let's move toward the settings. In the upper right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll spot an icon that looks like a gear. That's your settings icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you should select See All Settings to access the full array of Gmail settings. Now that you're in the settings pane, look for the tab labeled General. This is typically the first tab you'll see. Click on it to open various customization options available for your account. You'll notice there are quite a few settings to adjust, but for our purpose today, you're going to scroll down slightly until you see Smart Compose. Smart Compose is the feature that includes Help Me Write. While useful for drafting complete thoughts quickly, receiving suggested text might not be for everyone. You'll see there's an option to turn it on or off. If it's currently active, you'll notice a visual indicator showing that the feature is enabled. To disable it, simply click to toggle this option off. Now, before you exit the settings pane, take a moment to scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you will find the Save Changes button. It's crucial that you click this button, as it will apply your new settings. Without saving, your changes won't take hold, and you'll continue to see those Help Me Write suggestions. Once you've saved your changes, you can navigate back to your inbox to confirm that the feature has been disabled. Try composing a new email to ensure that you no longer see the suggestions that previously appeared. If everything looks good, you have successfully disabled the Help Me Write feature in Gmail, and you can now enjoy a cleaner, more distraction-free emailing experience. That's all there is to it. Disabling features you don't use or that interfere with your productivity can really help in customizing your digital environment to better suit your needs. I hope this guide has provided clarity and that you're able to manage your Gmail settings with ease. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Have a great day optimizing your inbox.